Learn English to Gujarati. Substantial, significant, decisive, relevant in
Gujarati.
Welcome to the very important Mango meeting. Hey, you are about to learn some seriously useful English and Gujarati words. And yes, there will be drama, a meeting, and at least one overdressed mango. Welcome, brave learner. Today you will meet a group of characters in a completely serious business meeting that is absolutely not about snacks. The chairperson clears their throat and says, "We are here to discuss a
Mahatvapurn.
matter." That word can help you remember substantial and also significant in many contexts. Then another speaker stands up,
Paherelu.
a shiny silver jacket, and announces, "This is a
Mahatvapurn.
decision." A third person jumps in and says, "No, the final cookie vote will be
Nirnayak.
That means decisive, or even crucial." Finally, the tired intern whispers, "Can we please include only
Sambandhit.
details?" Meaning relevant. Congratulations. You have just walked into a vocabulary circus. Your words for today. Let's meet the stars of today's chapter one by one. Listen for the English word, then the Gujarati word, and imagine the scene. Substantial.
Mahatvapurn.
Imagine something big, weighty, and important. A substantial profit, a substantial contribution, a substantial piece of cake that is technically one slice but emotionally a mountain. Significant.
Mahatvapurn.
Or also.
Mahatvapurn.
This is something important in meaning or effect. A significant discovery, a significant role, a significant change in results. Decisive.
Nirnayak.
This is the thing that changes the outcome. The decisive vote. The decisive goal. The decisive moment when someone finally admits they ate the last samosa. Crucial.
Nirnayak.
Very close here to decisive in this lesson. A crucial step, a crucial vote, a crucial point in the game. Relevant.
Sambandhit.
Connected to the topic. Useful in context. If you are discussing climate policy and somebody starts reviewing their uncle's sandwich collection, that is not
Sambandhit.
wearing.
Paherelu.
Already dressed in something. The child is wearing a hat. The hero is wearing a cape. The mango is wearing sunglasses for no professional reason. The boardroom story. Now listen to a short story. Just enjoy it first, and let the words repeat naturally in your mind. At exactly 9 o'clock, the Mango Board of Directors entered the room. The CEO Mango arrived.
Paherelu.
A tiny tie and sunglasses, because apparently leadership requires accessories. He placed a folder on the table and said, "Friends, we have
Mahatvapurn.
evidence. Sales of spicy mango pickle are up." Everyone gasped. One grape fainted politely. The assistant stood and added, "This is a
Mahatvapurn.
discovery for fruit science." A banana clapped too early. Then the chairperson pointed to the final chart. "Please focus. The last vote will be
Nirnayak.
It is also
Nirnayak.
for success. In other words, decisive and crucial." At that moment, a pineapple raised its hand and asked, "Should staff wear roller skates on Tuesdays?" The whole room went silent. The intern rubbed their forehead and said, "That is not
Sambandhit.
to the topic." The pineapple sat down, still proud somehow. By the end of the meeting, everyone agreed on one
Mahatvapurn.
point, one
Mahatvapurn.
result, one
Nirnayak.
vote, and 0
Sambandhit.
comments from the pineapple. Mini dialogues. Let's make the words feel natural. Repeat the Gujarati parts after me if you want. A. Was the change small? B. No, it was.
Mahatvapurn.
A. Is this detail trivial? B. No, it is.
Mahatvapurn.
A. Was that the key moment? B. Yes, it was.
Nirnayak.
A. Is this step important for success? B. Yes, it is.
Nirnayak.
A. Is this information useful for our discussion? B. Yes, it is.
Sambandhit.
A. Why is the cat so confident? B. Because it is.
પહેરેલું,
Sunglasses and thinks it owns the building. Quick memory tricks. Here are some fast mental hooks to help the words stick. Weird is good. Weird stays in the brain. For substantial, picture a huge golden block labeled.
મહત્વપૂર્ણ,
It is too big to ignore. For significant, imagine a glowing key marked.
મહત્વપૂર્ણ,
Opening an important door. For decisive and crucial, hear a dramatic drum hit every time you say.
નિર્ણાયક,
This is the outcome-changing moment. For relevant, see a folder that keeps only
સંબંધિત,
papers and throws the random banana poetry away. For wearing, mime putting on a shirt and say.
પહેરેલું,
Then picture a goat.
પહેરેલું,
A wedding hat. You are welcome. Challenge round. Time for a playful test. I will ask, and you answer in your head or out loud before the solution appears. What Gujarati word means substantial? Answer.
મહત્વપૂર્ણ,
What Gujarati word means significant? Answer.
મહત્વપૂર્ણ,
What Gujarati word means decisive? Answer.
નિર્ણાયક,
What Gujarati word also means crucial in this lesson? Answer.
નિર્ણાયક,
What Gujarati word means relevant? Answer.
સંબંધિત,
What Gujarati word means wearing? Answer.
પહેરેલું,
Conclusion. You did great. Seriously, this was a very impressive meeting, and unlike the pineapple, you stayed on topic. Today you learned substantial as,
મહત્વપૂર્ણ,
significant as,
મહત્વપૂર્ણ,
and also,
મહત્વપૂર્ણ,
in some contexts, decisive and crucial as,
નિર્ણાયક,
relevant as,
સંબંધિત,
and wearing as.
પહેરેલું.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words aloud, and try using them in your own sentences today. You are making
મહત્વપૂર્ણ,
progress, and that is definitely
સંબંધિત,
to your success.